Bagay mo, yung bagay mo. Stop.
Number 6, foul, pushing foul, substitution. Esteban out. Lim in. Unang tira, pasok. 1 point, additional kay Season. Second throw. Pasok pa rin. Nabawasan ang kalamangan. Naging 14 na lang ang lamang. Dolabin. To Principe. Under Gustav. Nabawasan ang kalamangan ng 13.
Kami.
7 minutes and 45 seconds.
Number 7.
7 minutes and 45 seconds.
Meron. Bilis siya nakatira ng 3 points. Yes!
Wala. Rebound by number 2. Intercepted by Season to Valenzuela. Valenzuela pass to number 31. Tumira. Wala. Agawan sa rebound. Nakuha niya ulit. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Dolabin. Scooping shot. Another 2 points. Rebound by number 2. Ten to shoot. Dorado fires. 3 points for Dorado. 20 na po ang kalamangan.
2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Bonus shot, wala. Number 3, black and foul. Sige na, mamaya na. Nakalimutan. Desert Fox, warning for penalty na. Tumira ng 3, wala. Number 8, foul. Substitution.